This is the AI News Flash for March 11th, 3 p.m. UTC. First up, Meta has announced 4 new generations of its in-house AI chips. The lineup includes MTIA 300, 400, 450, and 500, all set to deploy across Meta's data centers by the end of 2027. MTIA 300 is already in production for ranking and recommendation training, while the 400 series and beyond will handle generative AI inference workloads. Remarkably, Meta has built the capacity to release new chip generations every 6 months or less, using modular reusable designs manufactured by TSMC. This comes just weeks after Meta signed massive deals for millions of NVIDIA GPUs and up to 6 gigawatts of AMD chips, signaling a portfolio approach to AI infrastructure. Next, Microsoft has filed an amicus brief in court backing Anthropic's fight against the Pentagon's supply chain risk designation. Microsoft is urging the judge to issue a temporary restraining order blocking the ban for all existing contracts. Without it, Microsoft warns that it and other tech companies would need to immediately alter product and contract configurations used by the Defense Department, potentially hampering U.S. warfighters at a critical time. Microsoft invested up to $5 billion in Anthropic last November and integrates Claude into its Copilot products, giving it a direct stake in the outcome. Third, Oracle Health has launched a clinical AI agent designed for emergency and inpatient physicians. The agent automatically summarizes and organizes electronic health record data, freeing doctors to focus on patient care instead of paperwork. In emergency medicine, each patient generates mountains of documentation, making AI-driven automation a high-value use case. This launch adds to the growing wave of agentic AI entering clinical settings, where real-world reliability will be the ultimate test. And finally, the Wall Street Journal reports that AI isn't lightening workloads, it's actually making them more intense. As AI tools generate 2 to 3 times more code and documents, the burden of reviewing and quality checking that output is falling squarely on human workers. In software development especially, AI-generated code is creating review bottlenecks, with engineers spending more time verifying output than writing it themselves. The finding challenges the core productivity promise of AI adoption and may force companies to rethink their implementation strategies. That's all for this AI News Flash.